Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, May 20, and our story is called 10 Apples on Top. One apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look, you, I can do it too. Look, see, I can do 3. 3, 3, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Look, see now? I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I am so good, I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. 5, 6, 7, fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we are as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. And now, see here, 8. 8 on top, 8 apples up, not one will drop. 8, 8, and we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. But I can do 9, and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. We can do it too. See here, we are as good as you. We are all very good, I think. With 9, we all can hop and drink. 9 is very good, but then, come on, and we will make it 10. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Look out, I see a map. I will make the apples fall. Get out, you, one and all. Come down this hall. We will not let our apples fall. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. They will get them if we let them. Come, we cannot let them get them. Look out! The map! The map! The map! You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop. Not one. Come on, come on, come on, come one, come all. We have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, come on, get out of town. Apples, apples up on top. All of this must stop, stop, stop. Now all our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to drop. Look, 10 apples on us all. What fun! We will not let them fall. And that is the end. Boys and girls, in your packet today, you have a picture to help us learn about the number 10. You're going to count 10 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to color the fish, and then you're going to practice writing number 10 at the bottom. Boys and girls, can we say our Bible verse together? Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be dismayed. For the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Have a good day, friends.